In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SSL pending error on Shopify. If you've just connected a custom domain to your Shopify store and you see an SSL pending message, don't worry. That status is common and usually temporary. SSL is the security certificate that encrypts traffic between your store and your visitors. It's what puts the padlock icon in the browser address bar and switches your site to HTTPS. When it says pending, it means Shopify is in the process of issuing and activating that certificate for your domain. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your admin. Inside your domain settings, you may see the SSL pending badge next to your custom domain. This kicks off an automatic process that involves verifying your domain and provisioning the certificate. Behind the scenes, DNS changes need to fully propagate across the internet, and that's the main reason you'll need to wait. The key here is patience. Allow up to 48 hours for the SSL to complete. During this window, the status may flip between pending and provisioning, and your browser may still show not secure if you try to load your custom domain. That's normal while the certificate is being issued and while the domain records are updating worldwide. Avoid making changes to your domain or switching settings during this period, as that can restart the clock. After you've given it the full 48 hours, check your domain again in the Shopify admin. Once SSL is active, the status will update automatically and your store will load over HTTPS with the padlock. If you're using a cache or have tried your site from the same device repeatedly, try a hard refresh or a different browser to confirm the change, since old data can linger locally. If it's been more than 48 hours and the status is still stuck on SSL pending, it's time to contact Shopify customer support. You can reach them through the help center from your admin. Let them know that your SSL has been pending for longer than 48 hours and share your custom domain name along with the approximate time you connected it. They can check the certificate issuance process on their end and help resolve anything that might be holding it up. That's all there is to it. Open Shopify, wait up to 48 hours for SSL to finish, and if it doesn't, contact support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your store secured and ready for visitors.